Taiwan, an island full of life and creativity. We have grown as the world's economy grows around us. For the past few decades, the people in Taiwan worked very hard and created the astonishing miracle of Taiwan economy, and have earned the highest amount of foreign exchange reserve ever. In such an environment, the people in Taiwan are enjoying better quality of life than before. The people on this island are charged with economic vitality in order to survive in the competing international market. Under government's thorough planning and through the hard work of the people, we have created an excellent environment for manufacturing and investment, and made the mark Made in Taiwan the equivalent of high-quality goods and is seen all over the world. The changing of both macro and micro environments, people demands of leading a better life is never satisfied. The one who is able to satisfy the needs of the new generation will be the biggest winner. The Taiwan economy miracle is largely due to export, but after the ROC government pushed through revolutionary changes in the quality, our economy is changing its face rapidly, which has, in turn, changed the whole situation. The Taiwan manufacturer no longer compete with the developing Southeast Asia countries with the respect of cheap labor. After transferring the manufacture process to overseas countries, Taiwan now focuses on developing its own brand of high-quality products. These products stand up to or are even better than some of the world's first-class products. Civilization grows with technology. Only through constant growth can our lives progress and make our living environment more convenient. Therefore, technology products have become an essential part of our lives. Electronics products have become very popular. Nowadays, there are a lot of electronic companies, and the competition is intense. This causes a lot of new products to emerge on the market and have upgraded old ones, hence enable us to enjoy a high-quality life. We started to manufacture monitor computers, and in 1990, we started to manufacture wide-range temperature power source capacitors in order to enable customers to enjoy the best products. Capacitors. These are used in OA machines, televisions, computers, and so on. Its terminal and aluminum are cool welded together. Its features are wide temperature range and durability. Covered terminal. These are used in industrial machines. They use multiple terminal to lower the L value. Its features include high currency and temperature resistance and durability. Screw terminal. These are used in communication machines, automobiles meters, return circuits, and so on. This product uses cool terminal welding process, are shock resistant and very durable. The manufacturing process must be carried out with great care. First is the connecting process. Precision is very important. Only well-trained and experienced worker can handle this process. Then comes the curing process. This can be done either automatically or manually. When done manually, stability and precision are very important. We have introduced automatic curing machines in order to save manpower and improve efficiency. The third step is dipping. We have to put the half-finished product into the machine. The machine will create a vacuum. This is called dipping. Then we have to connect the capacitor set with the head of the capacitor. Then start to test the assembled parts and the boards, and then fasten them. Put them into a protective shield in order to prevent damaging. The fifth step is sealing. First we have to put the capacitor into place. Start the sealing machine, then it's done. Now it's the testing process and the electrolytic fluid testing process. We have to measure the pH value with great precision. Then is the tubing process. When doing this, the most important thing is dexterity. The last step is packing. During packing, we have to check every detail and make sure that everything is okay. We have been growing steadily and provide our customers with the best services. We are looking forward to getting ISO 9001 and 9002 approval.